Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So I will be telling you some few important concepts of which we can get good results using the ChatGPT. So this is also one type of prompt engineering only. So we have seen the different views, right? So one way what we can say it is the zero shot, one shot or a few shot prompting. So one concept is how we can get the better result. So zero shot, one shot, few shot means what I can say is zero shot means directly we can ask something like write a tweet on Happy New Year. So if you type like this, so it will give you a tweet like this. And this is directly a tweet which we are not giving anything. Zero shot means we are not giving any example. So now if you try to see here, the tweet which we are able to see by which the tweet which has given by the ChatGPT looks like, if you post it to somebody else, looks like that is not your tweet. So they can easily recognize that that is not your tweet. Why? Because the way of writing and all those things is completely different. So what you will try to do is you can give an example for this one. So for example, let's say that here I can write example. What I can say is, so following are the example tweets. Okay, don't use the content. So we can write it like this, something like, so just I am trying to explain you. Now here we can say that wish you a cheerful happy new year. So I can write it something like 1. Okay, just a simple example. So now let's try to see how it will try to take and it will do it. So now it will see here, see stepping in. So now it is trying to give you a tweet which by following this simple example. So this is called as a one shot tweet, one shot chatting. Zero shot means directly we are giving without any example, we are asking the goal. One shot means we are giving one example, and another one is the few shot. Few shot chatting means nothing but you are giving 2 or 3 examples. So for example here I will be giving another one like advanced, just I am giving advanced happy new year, may God bless you, or something like this. So just see how it will try to how it will give. Let's see. So now it is trying to regenerate the tweet which with the examples of your things. So here see, so like this. So this is how it is trying to give. So this is one way of, this is one concept of getting a good response from the ChatGPT. So this is one methodology. And another way which I want to tell you is the, so the another way is which I can say is the giving with the hints. Okay, so giving with the hints or something like not hints, so output templates or something like that. So for example I will try to give you examples. So these are all what I can say is examples which we can do it. So now for example let's say that I want to get, so here I will be writing what I can say is I need top 5 travel destinations. Okay, so this is the goal. Now if I try to ask the response, so it is giving you something like Paris. These are all the types it will be giving. So it is taking some Paris, Tokyo, Japan. It is trying to give the response. Let it give the response. So now what we got these all the response. Now I don't want the response in such a way. So just I want to have the location, best time to visit, and like this I want to have. So then what I can do here, so let's try to edit this one. Okay, so here I want the top 5 travel destinations, and the format should be format the response like this. Okay, and here you can say that location, it should be location, and best time to visit, and here what I can say is sunshine hours. Another one is average temperature. Okay, let's see what will happen, or otherwise here I will write Celsius. Yes, Indians are more habituated to Celsius, right? So let's try to give the Celsius. Fine. Now let's see how the response will be. Now it is trying to do searching top travel destinations, and it should format the response like this. The response should come like this. So let's see. See, here it is trying to give Rome, Italy, best time to visit like this, sunshine hours, average temperature. And this type of thing also you didn't like it. For example, let's say that. So now this type of also you didn't like it. Then what you can do it is the example. You can give an example. Example will be example let's say that example, let's say we'll take this one, location. We will try to give some other thing, Hyderabad or anything. Okay, best time to visit is January to March, and here sunshine hours is 10 hours, let's say, and average Celsius is 28 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how it will try to show you. So I want to have like this only, location Hyderabad, like this only I want to have. So how it will give the response, let's see. It is trying to give location, best time to visit, and like this is, it depends on how we can do it and all those things. So we can enhance this one also. We can enhance the what I want to say is the question how we need to ask it. So I will try to enhance this question once. So we will try to enhance this one. An example output should be like this. Okay, so we'll try to ask the same thing. Let's see how it will be. Format the response like this, right? So we can also write format your response like this. Let's see how it will try to do. Again, it is doing search with the Bing. So how it will try to do it, response. Let's see. So this all depends how you can do it. So here it is trying to give the same way only. Okay, fine. So now you understood, right? So how you want to get it. So this is how we can get the output. So this is one way. So giving the output template. So how you want to get it, output template, and so that the example of output will be like this. So this is one way how you can get it. And another way which I want to tell you is summarizing the article. Okay, so summarizing the article is nothing but, for example, let's say that I have an article, okay, which I want to summarize this article. So how we can do it is, let's go into this one. So here what I will do is I will copy this summarized article. Just I have copied it. I have a summarize. So here let's go to the new chart. Yeah, here I will tell in such a way that you are an AI assistant, let's say Zoom, that specializes in summarizing, in creating, not creating, summarizing articles. Okay, articles. So now summarize the below article. I am asking that summarize the below article, and here I will be pasting all the article. Okay, so I am pasting the article, summarize the above article starting like this. So here I am telling that so let's try to summarize the article. So here I have given something like you are an AI assistant that specially summarize the below article. So just I have given summarizing the below article. So it is trying to give the summarize this article. Okay, so it is giving you some summarized points. So let it give. And here what I want to do is I want to add some more data. So here I will write in such a way that I want to start with some text. So here summarize the above article starting like this. The key concepts are like this. So the article should start with this word. So now if you try to see here, it will start like this only, the key concepts are, and it will start showing this article. So like this we can also get the correct proper response writing like this. Now if you try to see here, another thing which I want to explain is, before closing this one, So here we are able to see from where the article is starting and from where the article is ending. You will be able to sometimes the ChatGPT will get confused from where this actually the article is starting and where actually the article is ending. So for that one, what we can do is we can edit this one, and here so we can add 3 double quotes like this, or otherwise you can also add 3 dashes like this. So 3 double quotes, so that means indicating that ChatGPT the article is starting from here, and at the end you can end it with 3 double quotes like this. So in between these 3 double quotes, whatever the content is there, so consider this one as an article and you summarize this article. We can say like this. Now if you click on save and submit, so then the same output will come. So like this. So this is how, these are the some more important concepts where for getting the good prompts, for getting the good response from the ChatGPT. So these are some of the concepts. So what I will try to tell you is, so these are the different ways how we can make the ChatGPT to get a good replies or the good responses, so that it will be very useful for us in our daily life. Hope you understood about these some of the concepts. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.